Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Seed to KuCoin exchange. We'll start by outlining the entire process, ensuring you understand each step. Then, we'll cover the essential preparations needed for both your Seed and KuCoin accounts. Finally, we'll guide you through generating and inputting API keys and how to confirm your successful connection. Before connecting, make sure both your Seed and KuCoin accounts are fully set up and active. It's crucial to complete any identity verification steps on KuCoin, as this often impacts API access. Also, familiarize yourself with where to find API key generation options within your Seed account settings. This preparation saves time later. Now, navigate to the API management section within your Seed account. You'll need to generate a new API key and its corresponding secret. These are unique identifiers that allow KuCoin to securely communicate with Seed. Carefully copy both the key and the secret, then paste them into the designated API linking interface on the KuCoin platform. After inputting your API credentials, confirm that the integration was successful on KuCoin. A great way to verify is by performing a small test transaction, if applicable, to ensure everything is working as expected. Always take a moment to review the security settings on both Seed and KuCoin to maintain a secure and efficient connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.